What if I tell you that you can now start your own fashion apparel brand with $0 investment? You don't need to buy inventory, you don't need to buy t-shirts, you don't need to buy hoodies. All you have to do is just sign up to a platform called Tapstitch, and everything will be handled by them. Inventory, shipping, delivery, all will be handled by them. It's a trendy print-on-demand platform, not just a print-on-demand, it's fashion-on-demand platform where you will have high-quality fabrics available on your merchandise which you will be selling on your store. And in this video, I'll share with you guys step-by-step process on how you can connect it with Shopify and start selling instantly. So make sure to watch the complete video. Before we move on, there's a link in the description. If you use that link, you will get 10% off and a $20 credit. So make sure to use the affiliate link in the description. And without further ado, let's get into the screen. So guys, that's the website of Tapstitch where you can find all of the products, t-shirts, hoodies, sportswear. They have a huge catalog for you to choose product from. And these all products are fashion grade quality, not the suboptimal product category where your customer may return the product. That's not the case. It's high grade, fashion grade quality product which you'll be getting. And the good thing about Tapstitch is that you don't have to order 300 or 200 products in order to start your business. You can just order one single product before actually delivering it to your customer. So whatever product you like, you can simply order one for yourself as a sample, test the quality, and then start shipping directly to your customer and connecting it with the Shopify store. Now let's try connecting it with the store, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to connect it with the Shopify store and start selling your products right away. So as you can see here, I have this oversized fleece hoodie where you can see all of the details here. So that's the fulfillment internationally, price, and all of these details like size guide, all of the stuff available within the product page, right? So that's the price for 1 to 5 piece. That's the price for 6 to 9 piece. So all of the details is available within the product page. Now I'm going to start selling this product in my Shopify store. And how can I do that? So first I'm going to go to the demo store. So that's my demo store. And I'm going to connect Tapstitch with that. Now let's install the Tapstitch Shopify store app with my development store. And I'm simply going to Google Tapstitch Shopify app. I'm going to add the link of the Tapstitch Shopify app in the description as well, so you can easily find that. You can also Google it up. Here's the app. Just simply click on that. And I'm going to install that on my development store. Let's first select it. So make sure you have your store selected, as I have it selected here because I have multiple stores on my partner account. Okay, now I'm going to click on install. And here it's asking for some of the permissions. I'm going to click install again. And here it's asking me to sign in with my Google account. I already have an account created. You can simply sign up using your Gmail email. I'm going to click on sign in with Google and sign in using my email. Before proceeding further, I would like to remind you guys that there's a link in the description, which is my affiliate link. If you use that link, you will get 10% off and $20 as a credit if you use the link in the description. So make sure to use the link. Okay, now we have connected the art store. That's how easy it was to connect Shopify store with the Tapstitch. Now we're gonna add our product and also add some custom design to that product. So that's the product which we selected, oversized fleeced hoodie, right? And now we're simply gonna click on design now. Okay, here you can see that we have the complete designer portal here where you have the front of your hoodie which you selected and the back. Now we can add our custom design on the front, on the back, on the left sleeve, on the right sleeve, wherever we want to add the design. Let's add it on the front and the back as the testing purposes. So let's test out the process with some of the free Tapstitch images provided. So if I click on image, you can see the Tapstitch free images. And once done, we will move on to creating our custom branded product. Let's say if I want to sell the merch of my company, I just want to imagine how the hoodie would look like if I try to add my custom logo. So let's first add it with the already presented design here.
And then I'm going to add my custom logo and also show you guys how you can do that as well. So let's add, this one's cool. So I'm going to just drag and drop it here. And within a sec, you can see that it's going to prepare the demo. So we can drag and drop and position it based on this square which we have available. So we have to make sure that the design which we add lies within that square here, right? And once we add it on the front, simply gonna click on Save Design. And here you can see that it's asking to add it to the store. I'm not going to add it to the store yet because I want to add something on the back as well. So let's try adding it to the back. Here we have the front. I'm going to add something on the back as well, which is a completely different design. So let's find out something cool. I think let's add that just for the testing purposes. Okay, here you go. Now we have our front and this is our back. Now we can add on the left and right sleeve as well, but I'm going to leave it blank for now. So let's click on Save Design and add it to the store. Meanwhile, you can see all of the cost breakdown here as well. So that's the total price and that's the pricing of the blank garment. That's when you add the design on the front. That's when you add the design on the back. And again, shipping and taxes will also be including. That's also mentioned here. Okay, let's click on Save Design here and add it to the store. And I'm going to click on Add to Store to see how it works. So here it's showing these stores. I previously tested it with my another development store, but for this video, I'm going to select this one, which I showed you guys. So select that and then click on Next. And now it's asking if you want to publish a new product or you want to link to an existing product. So if you already have a product created, you have already added images, stuff like that, you can link it to an existing product. But in my case, I'm going to add a completely new product on my store. So let's select Publish a New Product and then click on Next. Here it's giving all of the details that if you want to sell all of the variations or if you have a size selection you want, like if you just want to sell small, medium, large, or if you want to sell all of the sizes. I'm going to select all of the sizes and I'm going to leave all of the settings to default, like pricing and media, all that kind of stuff. So there are a lot of settings here which you can customize based on your requirement. So we are getting this product for $20.90 and that's the retail price which will be added on our store. Again, you can change the pricing based on your own requirement. And here is the media. So that's the front design which we added. That's the back design. And currently this one is selected as the main product picture. So main mockup image. And these are the additional pictures which we can also add. So I'm going to select some of the pictures from here as well because I want to demo my product better. Okay, that's good. Now I'm going to go to detail and here we have our description showing up. Again, you can add in your own SEO keywords or whatever description changes you want to make, you can do that here. Perfect. Let's scroll down. These are the size guide which will be added on the product page and that's the product visibility. So if you want to publish the product or if you want to set it as a draft, so you can simply uncheck it and it will be showing up as a draft. And here is the option to select the collection. I'm going to add it to my men's collection on my store and then click on confirm. Perfect. Click on next. And now we have our shipping option. Here we can assign a completely new profile from our store. If you have a different profile for shipping, it will show up here and you can select that. But for this example, I'm going to go with the default version, which is automatically assigned Tapstitch shipping profile, right? So let's select that and then click on Submit to Store, which is showing up on your right bottom corner. So click on Submit to Store. And now you can see that it's saying publishing. It is going to take a few seconds in order to add this product to your store. So guys, our product is now published, as you can see here. Now let's review it on our store. I'm going to go to the backend. click on products and review the newly added product. So that's the product which we added. Oversized fleeced hoodie, right? And you can see all of the listing has been created automatically using the Tapstitch. And if I click on preview, I can also review the product from the front end. So here we have the designs which we created for the front and for the back, right? Now all your customer has to do is just click and buy it now, and Tapstitch will be able to deliver your product on your behalf using the custom labeling, and they won't know that it's coming from the Tapstitch. Okay, now let's try adding the custom logo. So if I want to sell my own merch, I don't want to use their design, I want to use my own logo. I'm going to show you guys how you can do that. So here in Tapstitch, simply you will go to designs and then click on add new design. And here choose any of the product, right? So let's go with this product here, and I'm going to select the color which I want to go with and then click on design now. And here you can see that I've already uploaded my logo. Logo which you upload, make sure that it's transparent. It doesn't have any background color. In my case, I have it in the PNG format, and I just had to click it and Tapstitch automatically added it. So again, make sure to have it transparent. Make sure there's no color on the background when you add your own logo. And once you do that, again, it's as simple as that. So simply click on save design, and then I'm going to click on add to store. And here choose the development store where I need to add. Click on next for publish new product. And now we have the color option, sizing, price, media, same as I've shown you guys already. All of these description and collection choose from. Again, I'm going to add it to the men's collection. And then one more time, click on the shipping profile and then click on submit to store, right? Now a few seconds and it's going to be added on our store. So that's how easy it is to sell your own merch and sell your own fashion brand apparel and start with zero investment. That's it for this video. Let me know in the comments below if you had any confusion. Until next video, have a great day.